So I'm going to tell you a story about your brother and sister, okay? Okay? So you're going to tell me which one is naughtier in the story. Okay, ready? Ready? Sophie was mad at her mommy one day and threw one glass on the floor because she was mad. And she broke that one glass. Okay? And then the next story, Brayden was helping his mommy clean up the house because company was coming over. And he accidentally dropped a whole full tray of glasses, and he broke 6 glasses on accident. Which one was naughtier?
Sophie.
Sophie? Why was she naughtier? Because why? Do you remember? She broke one glass, but then Brayden broke a whole tray on accident. So Sophie was naughtier? Yeah?
He broke one straight up glass.
Yeah? Okay. Anything else?
Yeah. Minnie don't get something. Minnie don't get something. Minnie don't get toe over grass. Everybody might get salty.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody gets salty if Brayden and Sophie get all of glasses down and break it, and then a glasses will go over the place all over it.
Yeah.
And you can't drink it.